Hello to my channel. Today my mum got this glue, this slime, and apparently it's meant to be really good. So we're gonna open it with you guys. So if I can actually set that up, so I'm gonna set it up here. Okay, so now we're gonna open it. Oh, sorry days. I don't really have, so we're improvising. Okay, there we go. Now we open it. Okay, so this one is unicorn. This is a fluffy one. I think this one is, oh my god, that's so hard to get off. This one is unicorn, so it's a butter one. And this one is a magic one, apparently. Unicorn magic. Okay, so we're gonna start with the fluffy one because that was the first one we got out. And we're gonna put these ones over here. Put that there. Oh my god. Oopsies. Okay. Open this. Oh wow. Okay. This is meant to be easy to open. Oh wow. Okay. Well. Oh my god, this is hard. I'll be back. Yeah, I'll be back with scissors, guys. Back with scissors. Okay. Now let's open. Where did I open it? There. Okay. How do I open this? Still a little patient, don't I? Oh wow, okay, so I'm gonna try and fit it in. Oh my god. What if I just try and cut a hole in here? Okay. Oh my god, this is actually so hard to get open. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to come back for a part 2 with it open. Okay guys, I'll come back with a part 2. Love you.